I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at setting up the Aeris Aair Lite air purifier in the app. So I've got the purifier here. This is the Aair Lite from Aeris. Thanks to Aeris for sending this to me to check out. This is the navy blue, sailor blue version, and we're going to go ahead and set it up in the Aeris app. So I downloaded the Aeris app. This is the first screen that you get. I created an account as well. You do that by pressing add a new device, and if you don't have an account, it'll give you a prompt to sign up. I did that in advance, so I'm not showing my personal info, and you can see once I've got that going on here. It's going to pull up my location, which it's thinking is Concord, California. It's close enough. It's not quite right, but it's close enough. And then you can see I've got my little camera view here, so you can see the actual purifier as we go through the next steps here. So to add this, I am going to press add a new device. Going to choose the type of device below here, which is the Aeris Aair Lite. Okay, now it wants me to put it into listening mode. So take a look at the camera there. I'm going to go to the front screen on the device. I'm going to put my finger on here for 5 seconds. That's going to pull up the menu. Then I'm going to click on that Wi-Fi, and I'm just going to hold my finger on that for another 3 seconds. When I've done this correctly, I'm going to get into the pairing mode, where you've got those little dots, or listening mode, and I'm going to go ahead and say in the app that I'm in listening mode. Okay, now it wants me to connect to the Wi-Fi network from the Aeris Aair Lite. I'm going to do that. I'm going to pause and do that so I'm not revealing my personal info for the Wi-Fi network. Okay, so I'm on the network. Next, I'm going to select my device name. It's called a Garfield. I'm going to go ahead and keep that. Then I'm going to put in my Wi-Fi network in my home, which again I'm going to pause so I'm not putting in my Wi-Fi password on the internet here. Okay, now I've got a connecting screen. Let's give this a few minutes to connect. Okay, now I've got the screen saying that I am connected. Garfield is good to go. Let's go back to the main screen and see what kind of functions we get. Okay, so back in the main screen of my app, now you can see Garfield is ready to go. I can go ahead and click on his little icon there, and I get the indoor AQI, which is being measured on the sensor on the front of the unit here, and then I also have the outdoor AQI, and I can see what mode I'm in. I'm in smart mode. I can also switch the purifier Garfield on and off using the functions in here. So I can power him down, power him back on, and otherwise control all of these operations. I can also get analytics data, and again, change the mode there on the purifier. So that is setting up your Aeris Aair Lite using the Aeris app.